SAS launcher. Now, even though I personally don't like using the Gutenberg page builder, I found a theme that works perfect for it. The SAS launcher doesn't really support page builders like Elementor. Instead, it focuses on the native WordPress page builder, Gutenberg. Now, when you first install the SAS launcher, you'll be prompted with the SAS launcher dashboard. From here, you can view the recommended plugins and the setup instructions. You can also look at the free versus pro differences and also view the pre-built demos. However, you should first start by installing the recommended plugins. It uses a plugin called the Cozy Blocks that gives you access to various types of blocks, and it also has a demo importer plugin. After you install those plugins, you can then browse a list of demos that the theme offers. If you go to Appearance and click on CT Demo Importer, you'll see a list of available free templates you can import on your websites. And to be honest, the templates look pretty nice. The SAS launcher comes with about 11 free templates to choose from and about 50 in the Pro version. So then you'll go ahead and click on a demo and then click on Imports, and then it'll import the demo. After that, you'll see your brand new website light up. To be honest, the developers did a pretty good job at making this templates. The template looks really nice, modern, and has everything that you need. It's pretty well put together. I'm actually quite surprised you can build this with Gutenberg because I've tried it myself, and starting this from scratch will be quite difficult. Now, this is a block-based theme, so at the top, you won't see the Customize button. Instead, you'll see an Edit Site button. This essentially turns on the theme customizer, but also turns on the editor for you to build your websites. What's unique about this WordPress theme is the way you can build it with patterns. When you select the block and click on patterns, you'll see how easy it is to build a website with Gutenberg. You'll go ahead and click on a section, and then you can literally just drag and drop sections onto the page. The free version comes with about 77 patterns that you can slap on your website and adjust it however you want. After you import the pattern, you can modify the design. On the right side, you'll be able to modify and adjust a lot of the styles on your websites. You can change the typography from a few different styles, and they have a large variety to choose from. You can also change the color palettes. There is a large list of different color schemes you can give your website, such as blue, cyan blue, green, yellow, electric pink, and a few others. You can also add different shoutouts to your website, like deep or sharp, and you can adjust the width and layout of your website to any size that you choose. A noticeable option with this theme is the animations. You can add in animations to every section of your website using the Cozy animation options. You can choose flip up, flip down, and also adjust the duration. The only downside to see the changes is you'll have to save the changes and then open up your website in a new tab, then you can see the animations live. So while you're working on your website, you won't be able to see it. The SAS launcher also comes with a variety of templates that look amazing. If you go to the SAS launcher section, you'll be able to see all parts of your website like the front page, the right sidebar, the 404 page, header and footer, the shop page, checkout page, and a few others. All in all, this theme definitely does simplify the process of making Gutenberg usable. Me personally, I do not like the Gutenberg builder, but I do understand there are users out there who do build their website with this builder. So I felt like this theme could bridge the gap between people who don't like Gutenberg and the people who do like Gutenberg. I've never really recommended any of these companies' WordPress themes just because I thought they weren't that great, but this one I think is definitely worth your time. You can purchase a single license for your website for about $49 or go unlimited for about $159 a year. They also have a lifetime plan that starts from $89 that goes all the way up to $300 for unlimited websites. I would give the SAS launcher a solid 8 out of 10. I think this theme simplifies the process of making websites with Gutenberg. Next up, the blog.